And I'm back, you guys. Why am I in the middle of a fight, you ask? Well, Sky is about to, in a sense, level up right now. Yep, that's right. It didn't take me that long to even level her up. It took me about 5-6 battles to get her to level 11 right now. So, anyway, see, I don't like hikers. You see, hikers scare me. So, I'm gonna leave Squishy in there. And we shall battle these two together. Yeah, as you can tell, I probably had the wet face on. I was just like, wait. And yes, Sky did learn quick attack while off screen. It was right after she hit level 8, to be honest. So, level 60? Okay, let's go. If the tunnel's don't to go through, but I'll just go over the top. It's dead. It's a dead up here. I'm born so heavy bow. I just gave him a weird freaking voice for a kid. Cause I think that's a youngster if I'm right. Oh yeah. Youngster John and oh, Clark. Huh. Oh wow. That is amazing. That is the most awesome duo you could ever have, ever. Sweet. Low tag. Eh. That was... I didn't think you could attack like right after. That was just kind of mean in my view, but okay. That works. That was easy. That was like... losing me tired. Don't even ask me why I gasped like that. That was weird. That was fun even though I've lost! You lost. I'm joking. Because Sky obviously made it, I'm going to now use Forever Alone, and I can't because that's a trainer, I believe. I think it is. Not totally sure. I don't think it is, but you know, just to be sure. Come on. Yep. Ba-ba-ba-da. We'll rock you hard. I misread that completely, and I was gonna say something very perverted. Yep. Sorry about that. I'm not really doing commenting. I was more like singing along. That's exactly what I do when I'm by myself. I just sing along to the beat or just stay quiet. Anyway, let's kill this motherfucker. I'm trying so hard not to cuss. That's why you haven't probably heard me. I said bish, and you never said the B word. That's the only thing. So I'm basically backing myself off from cussing in front of people because I find it necessary to do so. Okay. Well, you see, we have no one to learn cut, which really sucks. Sooner or later, we'll get a Pokemon who can. Roar! What's going on? I was digging the tunnel about any tools with some goon ordered me out. That tunnel's full of Pokemon that react badly to loud noise. They could cause an uproar. That's why I'll stop them using heavy equipment for tunneling. I'm worried that the goon will go do something stupid and stir all the Pokemon into an uproar. And you all know what uproar means, don't you? If you don't, then you are very slow. Basically what I'm saying is, oh, that's lovely. I've sold that probably, maybe. Is there anything down here? Because if it isn't, then that's just a waste of space. As you can tell, there's a cave there. Anyway, let's see what this old guy has to say. Oh, what am I to do? We're on our rock, Pecko and I, when we were just by a lost bug. That scoundrel made off with my darling Pecko. Oh, Pecko. Okay. So basically, oh, see, basically you have to kill that grunt. Not literally, but theoretically, yes. So, what exactly we're gonna do here? Forever Alone is going to take care of him. Maybe. Hopefully. And by uproar, you're going to see what they meant. Say hello to Whismer. I met this Pokemon quite a few times outside as well, but you guys didn't see that. I also met another Pokemon outside as well, which I don't think you guys saw either. But anyway, thank God that, yes. When are you coming? What? Are you coming? Come on, get some then. Oh, you step back, you wuss. Go kill it all! That hostage Pokemon turned out to be worthless. I think I made a getaway in this tunnel to nowhere. Hey you, do you wanna battle me? Let's go. In all sense, he basically stole it just because he wanted to protect himself. Which he failed at. Miserably. Oh, Puchiana versus Puchiana. Let's see what goes from here. You know what I noticed? Somewhat, like, the female Puchianas compared to the male Puchianas have higher defense. That is what I believe so. Oh, crap. Come on, man. That is unnecessary to do. That's nice. That's very nice. That was easy. I love the beat to this. Ugh, my career in crime comes to a dead end! Yep, it does. Something to say. This is plain not right. The boss told me this would be a slick and easy job to pull. All I have to do is steal some package from Devon. You want it back, that Bally? Take it. Why would you give it away when you... I'm sorry to be helping the criminals, but seriously. Pecko, I'm glad to see you're safe. Pecko owes her life to you. They call me Mr.BRINEY, and you are up. That's the guy who I was talking about earlier in one of the parts. Ah, so you're Derp. I sincerely thank you. That was a weird voice. I'm good. Yeah, that was ugly. I saw like one of my friends, and she's gonna be like, "Excuse me." Now, if there's anything that troubles you, do not hesitate to tell me. I have an accent, to be honest, and I'm getting there. Because now that I'm thinking about it, you guys probably would have heard it in one of the parts that are probably gonna be coming up soon. I have, like, I'm getting a country accent over my city accent that I used to have in New York, and so that's not the greatest thing in the world to have, in my view. I mean, I like country accents, but I can't picture myself as one, especially I don't mean to sound racist in any term or way. It's because I'm not the country-looking kind of girl. You can usually find me in a cottage by the sea near Petalburg Woods. Come, Pecko, we should make our way home. But yeah, I'm a Puerto Rican, and so that doesn't. It's just yeah, this seems weird to me as well. Aww. Whisper, whisper, whisper. And I'm gonna cut it here, guys. I'll see you guys next part. See ya.